Welcome to Thermomix Thursday. I am making a turmeric wellness shot. Give me anything, tell me anything that's good for my health and I will absolutely do it. So I don't know if you've heard of a health retreat called Gwingana. This is actually a Gwingana recipe. Gwingana was Dr. Libby helped set it up, and I have been wanting to go to Gwingana for years and years, and I'm so lucky that a dear friend of mine and I have booked to go in May next year. I'm just like beside myself. So I tuned into an online seminar that they ran a couple of weeks ago, and this is one of the recipes that they made. And it's on Cookadoo, though there are a few of Gwingana recipes on Cookadoo. This is actually the first one that I've made. And so full of vitamin C, full of, well actually I'll talk you through what I'm putting. I'm literally just putting everything into the bowl. And so you can have, these are designed to have shots daily. You have about 90 grams. And so this will make about seven shots. So I've got a lemon, fresh lemon with no pith on it, and also just throwing that in. I've got some fresh ginger and some turmeric, fresh turmeric. So this is what turmeric looks like when you buy it fresh from, I get it from the markets. And so I'm going to throw that in. So, and I've got some pineapple. So full of vitamin C from your lemons and your pineapple. You've got anti-inflammatory benefits from the ginger and the turmeric. Now, when you have ginger and turmeric, you need, I'm putting a little pinch of cayenne pepper, which is really good for sending your toxins screaming and also for kickstarting your metabolism. But the anti-inflammatory ingredient in turmeric is called curcumin. Now, curcumin needs black pepper to be absorbed, to be able to be absorbed into the body. So that's why I'm putting grinding and then some fresh water. Gosh, I lost my words. A grinding of black pepper. And now I'm just going to blend that. That's going to blend for 1 minute. And then what I will do is, hopefully you can still hear me, is I might actually take it away a little bit, because I can. So you can have it as just as a shot, or you can have it with soda water or with water. Chilled is always really nice. But if you have this daily, it's giving you that, wellness shot as it's called, but full of the vitamin C and the anti-inflammatory benefits, and then you can store anything. It'll last for about 5 days in the fridge. I really like it with soda water because it gives that a little bit of a fizz. And yeah, so I would love to know, are you into any wellness shots? Do you like, that's also why I have warm lemon and water and ginger and turmeric in the morning, because it gives you that same health benefit. But this is actually just I'm just moving us back again so that we can see a little bit of looks delicious. So there you go. I'll just grab a shot glass down. Wasn't prepared enough to get that out of the cupboard, but lucky it's just on the top. And so if I stand back here, so this, cute little shot glasses. These shot glasses come with Nutrient Rescue, the fruit and veggie shot powder, fruit and veggie powders. So yum. Got a really nice kick to it from the cayenne and the black pepper, and it just oozes health. So good. So as I said, that will stay in the fridge for 5 days. Really great to have every day. Now, I wouldn't be able to achieve this consistency in my food processor. The Thermomix just makes things, just blends it up so incredibly well. it's just as a reminder, if you're thinking about getting a Thermomix, now is actually the time, because you get a second bowl and you get the cutter, which does all the slicing and the grating with so much ease. It makes fermenting food so easy. But even scallop potatoes, if you're just slicing and grating, making big coleslaws and stuff. And also it is the you need we've got a new spiralizer attachment coming out in the new year, and that you need the cutter for the spiralizer attachment. It's on until the 2nd of December. So if you're sitting on the fence now, seriously, I know I've said it before, but this is the best gift with purchase that we've had, worth up to $670. So reach out to me if you want to know more. But yeah, would love to know, will you make, after seeing this, will you make the Turmeric Wellness Shot? It's on Cookadoo, and that's what it's called, and it's from Ghana. Okay, see ya, bye.